Hi guys, another update about Honda CR-V RD1 1997. So I have been driving for more than 1 hour with this light still on. I have been driving for almost maybe more than 1 hour with this light still on. After I have changed my O2 sensor, see, this is the old O2 sensor. The red light, the catalytic converter warning light, the red one, that shows that the catalytic converter is hot. But the funny thing is, down here, nothing happened. It looks normal. No red hot, no smell, engine sounds smooth. There is something wrong with the indicator maybe. And everything after I have changed my O2 sensor, my engine worked perfectly. I have problem with my spark plug. After I've changed the O2 sensor, I have no more problem with the spark plug, with the misfire. Everything go back to normal. The car runs perfectly, but the red light is still coming out. So I'm going to find the way to delete the red light, or I'm going to the Honda dealership to override my ECU or my ECM. Okay, I will update you guys more about Honda CR-V RD1 Generation 1 S10 1997. Okay, goodbye friend.